CRO holders, today we potentially have the biggest news of the year. Crypto.com has officially taken over the Staples Center. Guys, this is not no April Fool's joke. This is a Christmas gift, as this is insane for the brand of Crypto.com, but also insane for the native token CRO that we have been talking about for so long now, guys. For the past 8 months, I've been telling people to buy CRO, and now those rewards are finally paying in. We're seeing people with 5 to 6x gains in the comment section. We're seeing 5 to 6x gains in my DMs. I got my cousins calling me, telling me about their massive gains in CRO, as this is a coin I believed in very early on. I put a decent amount of money at the time, which was a lot for me because I believe in this coin so much. I've been called the names for saying CRO will never hit $1. The market cap's not there. The coins are not there. They can't get burnt. There's so much stuff that people said the CRO couldn't do it. And guys, it has done it before the announcement of this, the Staples Center being taken over by CRO. Now, guys, what I want to do is I want to highlight this news broadcast. Then we're going to go into some commentary. And guys, this is just, it's mind-blowing. I'll say that much. It is freaking mind-blowing.
25th, the venerable home of the Lakers, Clippers, Kings, and Sparks, which has been known since its inception as Staples Center, will be renamed Crypto.com Arena.
Insane.
It's a naming rights deal that, according to the LA Times, is worth $700 million. Let's take a live look at Staples Center tonight. The length of the new deal is for the next 20 years. Crypto.com
20 years.
Cryptocurrency exchange. The deal, which was brokered with AEG, the owners and operators of the building, the $700 million price tag is one of the biggest naming rights deals in sports history. The arena's new logo will be unveiled on December 25th when the Lakers host the Brooklyn Nets. And according to the LA Times, all of Staples Center's signage will be replaced with Crypto.com by June of 2022. Staples had bought lifetime naming rights to the arena back in 2009, but AEG quietly purchased them back 2 years ago. The pandemic put the search for a new sponsor on hold, but the deal apparently came together over the summer. The agreement will also make Crypto.com the official cryptocurrency partner of the Lakers and Kings. One thing's for sure. The name change is going to take some time to get used to.
Guys, my mind is literally being blown right now. The size of this deal is just insane. We know how hard Crypto.com's been in marketing. We literally talked about this in the last Crypto.com video, which was about 2 or 3 days ago, that they're literally branding everywhere. They got places in the UFC. They got places in the NBA. They got places in Major League Baseball, Major League Football, minor leagues as well. Guys, the marketing has just been insane, and the growth for the project has just been insane. But guys, this is crazy because we're up 24% on the day. As people are seeing these rumors, they're buying in, guys. And it's just insane. CRO was hitting some all-time highs earlier today at close to 60 cents. Close to 60 cents, people. And people who, again, got in early are just, I guess, selling, I guess, cashing out. And we're seeing a bit of a dip here. And guys, the potential is just, it's so much. I've been saying this from day one on my videos, guys. As I said in the start of this video, is I could see CRO hitting $1 by the end of this year, 2021. Watch the old videos. It's all there, said and done, in proof, guys. And just shows that, like, the belief was there because the brand was just so massive. Guys, now we're talking about exchanges, right? We're looking, it's been climbing the ranks, guys. We saw it just at 21 a couple days back, and now we're sitting at the number 9 spot. Guys, with market cap in place, I guess it should be at number 8, but maybe it hasn't been updated yet. I'm not too sure exactly how these rankings work. But guys, what does this mean for Crypto.com? I know the CRO coin is going to explode. Again, I even said next target $100 in my last video, and people are like, can't get there. But guys, what happens if CRO climbs the ranks and sitting with Kraken, sitting with Coinbase, sitting with Binance? We know the Binance coin has been popping off. Last year around this time, we're looking at low three. I think it was about $150, or if we're looking exactly a year ago today. Guys, what is this going to mean for a CRO token? Can we realistically see CRO token sitting at $100 next year this time, sitting at maybe $100 in the next 2 to 3 years? Guys, quite frankly, that's possible. And at this current entry price point, guys, at less than 60 cents a coin, you could grab a solid bag for $1,000. and let this ride all the way to the moon. Guys, today's obviously a massive day for Crypto.com. We're seeing it's up 25%, but this is where the meat and potatoes is, guys. We're extremely proud to announce Staples Center, Los Angeles' most iconic arena, is getting a new name. Crypto.com Arena. As part of this 20-year partnership, we're excited to welcome the Lakers and LA Kings as new partners. Guys, this is a massive deal, probably one of the biggest deals in cryptocurrency when we're seeing marketing standpoint. This is massive. This is going to be crazy for the CRO brand. This is going to be crazy for the Crypto.com brand as well, as they're going to both go hand in hand. This is just something to be baffled about, to be quite frank. Like, Crypto.com taking over the Staples Arena. You know, millions of people will be talking about this now. CNBC, as we saw the video, is talking about this. Like, guys, the coverage for this is just insane. $700 million deal. Crypto.com will officially take over Staples Center. There's no turning back here. I like how they didn't announce it until it was like legit. There was no pre-rumors about this, guys. There's no one who knew this. There's no insider information, but we know this is crazy. Now, this was primarily for my subscribers, but for those of you new watchers watching seeing the Staples Arena fiasco, and you're wondering what is Crypto.com, as I said already, it is a crypto trading platform, a very clean user interface. I personally use it when I was beginning to like restart into cryptocurrency. I used Crypto.com to buy Shiba Inu. To buy Dogecoin, and guys, this platform's phenomenal. Okay, we're gonna go to Crypto Recap. All right, so it's the world's fastest growing crypto app, and we can see why with their marketing. It's insane. Join 10 million plus users, buying and selling 150 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. They're listing new coins all the time, guys. We had Doge Elon Musk, another fan favorite coin on this channel, listed just a couple of these back. Spend with Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% cash back. They have these awesome Visa cards, guys, where it's like a prepaid Visa card with great perks. We're talking free Netflix, free Disney Plus, airport lounge access, cashback rewards. It's insane. And the fact that you can spend your crypto in real life, it's crazy. And this has been around for a long time now. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14% on crypto assets, as they have like a staking platform as well. Guys, the user interface is one of the most cleanest. It's very, very mobile friendly. I've had zero issues with it. I mean, there's times with maintenance where you can't really use it, but generally, other than the maintenance, it's crazy, guys. I do have a referral code, as you see on the app, $25 when you sign up and get a card. Make sure you take a look at that if you're planning on getting into this platform, because it is crazy, guys. They also have a very clean NFT marketplace as well, and they do a lot of celebrity influencer collabs. It's just every week there's a new drop, and it's a clean marketplace. You can sign up for alerts. It's such a clean platform. And this is a little bit about the cards, guys. They have these fancy metal cards, the only card you'll ever need. Enjoy up to 8% cash back on your spendings with a sleek, pure metal card. No annual fee, no top-ups with fiat or crypto. All right, so we'll look at the perks real quick. So we're seeing the way these cards work is, guys, you have to stake money. Now, if you don't want to stake any CRO, which I think you should, not that this is financial advice, but I think you should. But if you didn't want to, you get a Midnight Blue card. It's just a plastic card, PVC. It still looks pretty clean, but you get 1% cash back, which is awesome. That's the perk you get for simply just getting the card, and it's free, like no staking required. Now, one tier up is 400 USD. You get 2% cash back and 100% Spotify reimbursement. Tier 3 is their Royal Jade and Indigo. You get $4,000 staked at 3% cash back. You get 100% Spotify and Netflix reimbursement. And we can see as the tiers go up, the more and more perks you get. You get Airbnb discounts, Expedia discounts, Prime. You're getting lounge key access. So there's a lot of great things in this, okay? They got Crypto.com private, earn bonus rewards, exclusive merch welcome pack, and then a private jet partnership. So I guess you get some discounts, but you got to have $400,000 staked in there. Now, guys, this is CRO Coin. We just covered massive news for Crypto.com. We also highlighted their website, how clean it is. The platform is clean. I highly encourage you guys to take a look at this. This is massive for Crypto.com, guys. I'm telling you, this is big. This is definitely going to push that price to $1 sooner than we expected. When that goes live, guys, for those who are not on social media and they start to see Staples Center gets ripped off and they put Crypto.com Arena, imagine what's going to happen to the price. It's insane. All right, and we'll leave it at that, guys. If you enjoy content like this, do make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for the latest and greatest CRO, crypto, coin news, and other cryptocurrencies as well. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Remember, only invest in money you're willing to lose. Peace.